Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volumes on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll through menu basically by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the icon or the option called sounds and vibration, tap on it, and here we have two options, ringtone and workout broadcasts. Tap on ringtone first, and here we can adjust the sound volume for our ringtones on the watch. You can do it, you can do it by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back. Next, we have the workout broadcasts rather. So basically, if you're tracking some workout activity and you will have the broadcast on there, you can basically adjust the volume for them. So we can tap on it and adjust the volume by swiping up and down. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back and then press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volumes on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.